Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant notifications about your friends on Instagram and want a quick way to stop them, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to turn off those friends on Instagram notifications directly from your phone's settings. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you control all your app notifications in one place. Once inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications, depending on your device. Next, find and tap on Instagram in the list of installed apps. This will open Instagram's app-specific settings. Now tap on Notifications. Here you'll see all the notification categories Instagram can send you. Look for notification categories or a similar option that breaks down Instagram notifications into different types. Under this list, you should see an option labeled Friends on Instagram. Simply toggle off the switch next to Friends on Instagram. This will stop Instagram from sending you notifications about your friends' activities, such as when they join Instagram or other friend-related alerts. And that's it. You've successfully stopped those specific notifications without turning off all Instagram alerts. This method is great because it gives you control over what you want to see and keeps your notification feed cleaner and less distracting. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back on. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter Instagram experience.